Alrighty, good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to JJ Shop. I'm Jordy.
I'm Jeffrey.
And this is JJ Shop. Hey, I know it's been, has it been a little while since we've...
It has.
It's been a little while since we've done a little content.
I don't know why.
Well, the weather was not really pretty, Jeffrey. But today, it's absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead and show them out the window there what we got to work with today. Oh, isn't it beautiful?
Yep.
It's beautiful.
It is.
Yeah. So that really gets us in the mood for doing things, right? So one of the things that we are in the mood to do,
And we've been busy.
one of the things that we did get the table kind of cleaned off. We got the bench cleaned off a little bit,
Somewhat.
kind of. All right.
It's not going to last long.
Right. Well, it meant the start of another project,
Yep.
and another project, and one more project.
Yep.
And probably another one after that.
Probably.
But anyway.
Anywho.
So what the last few months of weather has done for us is pointed out some of the things that we really need to get done. One of them is, Jeffrey?
Rear wiper on a Porsche.
Why?
Well, because, rain,
Yeah?
right?
Yeah, it's not wiping. Hey, that thing is about as hard.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, what is that? That thing is about as hard as I can't really come up with any good examples right now, Jeffrey.
But it's hard.
Yeah.
Rubber's
it's hard.
not working.
It's hard. Right.
Wiper's not wipering.
Right. Wiper's not wiping. Well, it's wiping, but it's not wiping.
Exactly.
I see what you did there.
Yeah?
Swiper's not swiping. No, swiper's not swiping. I like that.
Yeah? Let us know in the comments who has watched Dora. As a kid. Or whatever,
Yeah, as a kid. All right. So
Or a
anyway,
parent if you have a kid.
yeah, what we have here, and we read the instructions on this, didn't we, Jeffrey?
Yep.
On how to do this wiper, and it really doesn't tell us anything, does it?
Not really. I mean, it does, but it doesn't.
It does, but doesn't. It says put your finger in here, and it comes right off. How's that working,
And
Jeffrey?
there, and you pull up.
Huh? Yeah.
Pull up this way, I believe.
Is that working?
Put your finger in there or something.
Put your finger in there
Yeah.
and pull up this way. Yeah, it's not working.
Why not?
I don't know. I did what it told me to do, Jeffrey, and it's not working. So I don't really know exactly how to do this. I got my glasses on and I'm looking.
Still can't see?
Yeah, I still can't see. And I'm not really, I don't get it, Jeffrey. I really don't. I don't get any of it. I can't really see what I'm supposed to be pushing up, prying on, what's supposed to release what.
Not hurt yourself?
And not hurt myself. Right? I don't really know. I don't know, Jeffrey.
Why not?
Well,
That's a good question.
yeah, because I'll tell you, those instructions just aren't very clear, are they?
Nope.
Were they?
Not
Is there
really.
something in here I'm supposed to try? I don't really put my finger in here.
Do you need to take let the young one at it,
Well,
maybe?
that might come down. It might come down to that, Jeffrey. Well, you know what?
Yeah,
Let's do something here. Here, hold on to that for a minute.
apparently.
Let's grab the new wiper.
Sure.
Let's look at what it looks like. Oh, did you lock the door again?
I didn't do nothing.
Apparently, why are the birds?
Oh.
Huh?
I see.
You
Take
see?
the camera.
What?
Take the camera, if you would.
Well, we have the new one here.
I see.
You see?
I got my papers on it.
You got your papers on it?
It's right here.
Here's the new one. All right. Jeffrey says he's got it. Let's take a look here. Let's see if he does got it.
I don't want to break it.
No, we don't want to break it.
Well, how can you? Okay.
Well, I thought Jeffrey saw what I saw, but he didn't saw what I saw. Well, he saw what
There's
I saw.
clips, and it's a round thing, and it's holding it, so you just go. Pretty much.
Well, here, let's take a look at the new wiper here and let's see what that tells us. All else fails. Take a look at the new part. see what the new part tells you. So it looks like this is just a slide in and clip, Jeffrey. You see what I'm saying? But this part is broken right here.
Huh?
We're missing this part right here. See that little button there? That's what we're supposed to push and slide it forward. But that's missing. It's already been broken. Somebody's already broken it for us, Jeffrey. See what I'm saying? Well, I'm sure that's how the new one goes on.
It looks like it doesn't even have this. I don't think you need this part. Because look, if you just see, you just have this round bit here.
Uh-huh.
And there's clips holding it on, kind of.
Well, are we sure about that?
I think so. Yep.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
wow. I think you're right, Jeffrey. So,
Oh, would you look at that? I got it out.
Jeffrey got it out. So that means
You know, hands
we
magic.
just have to push.
Yeah, see, that wiper, there's like, yeah.
Yeah, harder
She's seen
than,
better days,
right?
right?
Yeah. Well, how are we going to get this new one down to just the pin like that? How are we going to do that, Jeffrey? Like
so.
that? Is that
I
how
think
it
you're
works?
there. There you go.
Just like that.
Just like that. Of
Look
course.
at that. You can teach an old dog new tricks.
Apparently.
Apparently. Okay. Don't any of you go out and tell your parents that right now, okay? Do not do that. It will not be met with the same.
There you go.
There we go, Jeffrey.
Would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Is that supposed to go? That other one was all the way in there, though, wasn't it? Was it supposed to be all? Was it supposed to be all the way in there, or was it not supposed
Do I
to?
need
be
to
all?
take a look again?
Well, I already snapped it in.
Are you sure about that one?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
positive. Don't you break it.
Sure about that one?
Oh, I'm looking at the camera. Yeah, I
Looks
think-
a little better. I
It's
think
not,
so.
yeah, it's not going to go all the way in there.
I don't know why,
Well, I'm all right with that, as long as it wipes.
as long as it stays there.
Yeah, as long as it works. So we go see if it works.
Sure.
All right. What else were we going to do with this thing, Jeffrey? We were going to spray and do a little
Uh-huh.
inside there, right?
Yeah.
Got that last. You know what? I'll tell you. Having to sit here on this small step with my larger hindquarters here to put my golf shoes on.
Uh-huh.
You see the issues here, Jeffrey?
Yeah, huh?
Not a whole lot to sit on.
Nope.
There's more seat than there is. There's more rare derriere than there is seat. You know what I'm saying? So,
Yep.
get rid of that.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let's make sure we got a wiper now. I think we got a wiper now, Jeffrey. What do you think?
I hope so. What about the sprayer? There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Can you see now?
Oh, I can see clear across the street now, Hefe.
Attaboy.
Look at that. All righty. Okay. So now what we need, Hefe,
Uh-huh.
is to possibly get in there and squirt the I just, I don't feel like messing with the latch today, Hefe.
Yeah.
I really don't. So, you know what we do have to do today, Jeffrey?
I think we picked up a battery?
We picked up a battery.
Something.
We did pick up a battery.
Battery.
We have a bee's nest going on inside the
Boat.
boat. We're going to take care of that in about a month or so. It's going to be time to get the boat going.
That would be nice.
We're going to have to give them an eviction notice.
Yep.
So,
In the meantime,
yeah. So, what Jeffrey and I do have is a new battery, but we got to put that thing on charge, Jeffrey. We can't. I mean, we could just
Right.
put it in there and it'll probably start, but we do need to put this together.
we
So,
do have a engine hoist.
yeah, that thing.
Why did we pick it up?
Well, we want to get that motor
We
over
have
there
a
stripped.
350 boat motor.
Yes, that needs.
Stripped.
That has freshwater. It's got everything on it still,
Yeah.
which makes it weigh about as much as
Pretty much a big block.
yeah, a block of big, but
Yeah.
it's not. And we want to put it on this engine stand so we can roll it around and get
It
out of
needs
our
to
way.
go on a little diet.
Yeah, that engine needs to go on a little bit of a diet. So, and that requires us to move the Mustang out, which we want to do to get some pictures of.
Apparently.
Yeah, so that we can list it on Haggerty's auction site, which is where this car will be seen for sale here shortly.
Yeah.
I know we keep saying that, Hefe. How many times have we said? Oh, too many times.
Too
So anyway, so this is going to be a little bit different video than most of our videos. We did fix something, right? We got the windshield wiper fixed now, so that's good. We do have a couple other projects coming up that really need to get done. I'm thinking our next one is going to be the 96 here, Greenie Weenie, because we need to use that truck. That's the shop truck. We got some things that we need to do this summer, and using,
It would be nice to have two trucks running.
exactly, using Hefe's truck all the time,
Right
and
now.
Hefe's gone doing something else, helping somebody else, right? And then we're down to
Well,
one truck that's just not working right now. It does. It starts and runs, but we got an issue here. Alrighty, yeah. Thank you again for another fun-filled episode here at JJ Shop. Thank you for joining us again. We're out of time for today, so if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video with friends, if you will, and then of course leave us a comment. What you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. And thanks again for joining us.